Hi, everybody. Michael Meier from the Meier team at Sotheby's. Today is November 25th. Going to give you a quick market update before we head into the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Everybody enjoy. I hope you have a great time with family and friends. And let's quickly dig in at what's going on in New York City. First of all, there are 6,453 active listings on the market. That is 3% less than we had last week. This is a normal trend you're going to see as we continue through the rest of the year, that the market has less properties coming onto the market, less properties that are going into contract because we're going towards the holiday seasonal end of the year. Now, what's interesting is right now, there is actually a lot of activity going on. There's 987 properties that went into contract in the last 30 days. Typically, we have around 850 now. So that's really, really strong. And if we look at the luxury market, so 4 million and above is what we're tracking here. We're talking about 29 properties going into contract in the last week. That is four more than the week before. And if you listen to me on a weekly basis, you would have heard a few weeks ago me giving even numbers higher than that. So while the numbers have come down, when we compare this to where this is on a on a generally yearly cycle, usually now we have around 25 properties in contract on a weekly basis. So actually, we're doing pretty well in that regard. If you'd like to learn more, if you're looking to make a move, we should be talking about either making swift, decisive action now because there's activity happening. Literally got a contract signed today, got a board approval today, and negotiating an offer on another. So there is definitely activity happening out there. And if you are looking to invest in real estate, something I'm definitely passionate about, I buy multifamily properties and we raise funds to make those purchases. So if you're interested in investing passively in real estate, i.e., putting your money into an investment and have us do the work for you of collecting the rents, renovating the buildings, increasing the net operating income, and hopefully bringing you a strong return, please reach out to me. I run a company, Meier Capital, where we purchase multifamily properties. We have a deal right now that we're projecting a 30% average annual return over the next 5 years. Every real estate opportunity carries risk. Look at the disclaimers in the offering memorandum, but I'm happy to walk you through how these deals work if number one, you want to invest, or number two, you're simply curious about how this business works. You want to keep an eye on it, and maybe in the future you want to look at an investment. I'm happy to kind of open your eyes to this whole world, something I'm passionate about. Have yourself a happy holiday weekend. Enjoy, and we'll talk soon.